Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So we are solving mathematical physics written by H.K. Das, and today we are going to solve question number 8 of exercise 11.3, that is of Fourier series. In this question we have to find the Fourier series representation or sine series and cosine series for the function x plus 1 in between the range 0 to pi, and finally we have to deduce these relations. So students, in our this video we will just reduce sine series and cosine series, and in our second part of that video, means second part of that question, or in second video we will deduce this relation, because video will be too long. So to make it short, I will do only sine series and cosine series in this question. So students, we know that the formula of sine series is summation n from 1 to infinity bn sin nx, where the value of bn can be founded by the formula 2 by pi integration from 0 to pi the function, and the function is x plus 1 and sin nx dx. Okay, so I'm just going to integrate this value, and this value will turn into 2 by pi I will take outside, and inside x plus 1 I am just going to put the product rule of the two functions. So this value will be x plus 1, and differentiation of integration of second function will be minus cos nx by n. Now putting minus over there, and differentiation of first function will be 1, and integration of second one function will be minus sin nx by n square. Now putting the limits 0 to pi. Okay, so by putting the values of x equals to 0 and pi, sin n pi and sin 0 will be 0 only. So finally we are having this value, and this value will turn into minus 2 by pi inside x plus 1 into cos nx by n. Now put the limits from 0 to pi, and we will get its value just like that, minus 2 by pi, and I am also taking outside common, and inside pi plus 1 into cos n pi. Cos n pi will be minus 1 power n minus 0. So 0 will be 1, and cos 0 will be 1 only. Okay, so this value can be written just like that. Now I am taking this minus inside, so this whole value will turn into minus 2 by n pi, and inside pi minus this minus 1 will turn into plus 1, and this whole value will turn into minus, because this minus I am taking inside. So this value will turn into minus 1 into minus 1 power n, and minus pi into minus 1 power n. So this is the relation for bn. Okay, now if I will put n equals to an odd number, okay, for odd numbers, then this value will turn into 2 by n pi, and inside 1 minus. If I will put n equals to odd number, then this value will be minus 1, and minus will be plus 1. Okay, and this value will also be plus 1, so plus pi. So this value will turn into 2 by n pi into 2 plus pi. So this will be the relation for the odd number of terms, and for even number of terms, this value will turn into 2 by n pi, bracket start, this value will be negative, so 1 will cancel out 1, and this value, if I will put it over there plus 2, then this value will be minus only, and this value will be minus pi only. Okay, so this will be the 2 by pi, I will put it over there, and minus pi by n inside I can put. Okay, so now that is for even number and that is for odd numbers. So sine series will become just like that. Sine series, as we know that the formula of sine series is this is the sine series. So for n equals to 1, I can write 2 by pi into 2 plus pi sin x minus, this minus I will take outside, 2 by pi dot pi by 2 sin 2x plus 2 by pi dot 2 plus pi sin 3x up to dash dash dash. So 2 by pi sorry, I can take outside common, and inside value will be pi by 2 plus pi plus 2 into sin x minus pi by 2 into sin 2x plus pi plus 2 into sin 3x up to dash dash dash. So this is the sine series. Now finally we will get its value for the cosine series, and for the cosine series we have to find a naught first, and finally we will find the value of an. Then we can only just put the formula. In this formula I can write cosine, so its value will be cos nx, and that will be an plus a naught by 2. So this will be the relation for cosine series. I am just putting it over there, and first of all I will find the value of a naught, and a naught will be 2 by pi 0 to pi integration of function, that is x plus 1 dx. So its value will turn into 2 by pi dot x square by 2 plus x, and putting the values from 0 to pi. So this value will turn into 2 by pi dot pi square by 2 plus pi. So pi will cancel out pi, and this value will turn into, sorry, this is pi 2. So this value will turn into 2 into pi by 2 plus pi. So the value of a naught by 2 will become pi by 2 plus pi. That is the value of a naught. And to find the value of pi will cancel out here, pi will cancel out because this pi will cancel it, and this value will be pi by 2 plus 1 only. Now to calculate the value of an, we know the formula is 2 by pi integration from 0 to pi, the function is x plus 1 and cos nx, okay, dx. So again I will apply the formula of u dot v dx. So this value will turn into x plus 1 as it is, and 2 by pi outside I will put, and inside cos nx. Cos nx is what? Integration will be sin nx by n, minus differentiation of first function will be 1 only, and integration of second function will be cos nx, that is in minus, divided by n square. Now putting the values from 0 to pi, okay. So this sin nx will be 0, because we know that sin n pi will be 0 and sin 0 will be 0. So here this minus will cancel out this minus, and this value will turn into 2 by pi into cos nx by n square. Putting the values from 0 to pi, this value will turn into 2 by pi and cos n pi. Cos n pi will turn into minus 1 power n minus 1 divided by n square, okay. So this term this is the term for your an. Now I'm just going to put this value in the formula, and we know that the cosine series can be represented by the formula. Cosine series can be represented by this formula, that is a naught by 2. So a naught by 2 I will put first, that will be equals to pi by 2 plus 1, as we have already founded it over there, that is pi by 2 plus 1. So I'm just going to put it over there, and plus this formula, plus summation n from 1 to infinity an cos nx, okay. So its value will turn into pi by 2 plus 1 and plus 2 by pi, and if I will put n equals to, just students see here in this, if n is an odd number, okay, for odd number this value will be minus 1, and this whole value will turn into minus 2. So minus 2 into 2 will be minus 4 divided by n square pi, okay. And for even number of terms this value will be plus, so this whole value will turn into 0. So this value an will be 0. So no need to find the value of this value for even functions. We will find only for n equals to odd numbers, okay. So this value will turn into minus 4 by pi into minus 4 by pi. I will put it over there, that is minus 4 by pi. I will put it over there, and finally what will be there inside, what will remain inside, 4 by, that is by n square will be remaining there. So this value will turn into cos x by 1 square plus cos 3x by 3 square plus cos 5x by 5 square. So this will be the relation. So we had already found the values for sine series and for the values of the cosine series. So this will be our relation. Thank you. Have a good day.